Hey y'all, so I'm back with the video, and guess who I caught on camera? Santa Claus! This is a present from me to my baby cousin Asia, so enjoy!
Mom is kissing Santa Claus!
How much longer the condition we gotta sit in my house?
About maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Hold up.
You like it?
It's 11 o'clock. Rocky, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. And will shut up. I heard doorbell.
Let's go check.
Let's go see y'all. Let's go see. Damn. Who is this? Oh, you must have got my message the other day. Asian, you was gonna come?
I guess
Everybody
you
still up?
Well, we was doing
Why is everybody still up?
We were doing hair.
Sorry, Santa.
Come on.
Where's the little dog going?
He's out there peeing. Rocky. You gotta get that outside. Come on. Oh, Santa, wait.
Little dog is having a Merry Christmas too.
All right, Santa. The Christmas tree is over there. Move it.
Little dog is out of control.
I know nothing.
Get some cold.
Don't leave him nothing.
Alright. Ho, 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 ho. This is for little Asia. I hope she sleeps. This is the best I can do. She said she wanted a puppy. Ho, 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 ho. Tell her Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. I think I'm gonna eat it. Rocky.
Santa, can Asia see you before you leave?
No.
Why not?
Not even for 5 seconds? She can't see you leave?
Well, you can see me leave, but the issue is I don't like little kids to see me leave.
So what should I do?
Just tell her Santa says be good. 3 things. Be good in school. Mind your parents. And, what's the 3rd thing Santa likes to say all the time? You do it better than me. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Santa, I've been a good girl.
Where's your husband?
Sweet.
He can do the things that he needs to do for you.
He did leave me something though, okay? You wanna see it? Let's see. He ate 2 cookies because he said he was watching his weight. Here. See, I gave you a puppy.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
From the lawn.